Hello, this is DINERO Extractors. In this video I'm going to show you how we install our Forex Medicine 3.1, the fully automated robot, the best ever. So today I'm going to show you, ever since we released this robot, the most common question has been like, the setup you have given us, the setup you have provided this time is kind of different from the ones you have been providing. So how do we set up this robot? So I've come to answer all your questions right today. So I'm going to show you how we set up this robot. So I'll first go to my navigator to delete the robot in my trading platform. Delete. So I will delete the robot from my trading platform. I'm going to deactivate this one too. I want to show you how we set up and install this trading robot. So I've closed and I've deleted the robots from my trading platform. I will close my trading platform. I'm using MetaTrader 5. So after purchasing the robot, you will receive this file. We will send you this file with the license keys, the serial number with the organization. So when you get the file, drag and drop it to your desktop, run that program. When you run the program, it will bring you this face. It will tell you to agree upon the user terms and conditions. You have to check the box to agree upon them. Go next. This button, contact us. When you click it, it will take you to our website to contact us, to text to us via our social media platforms, either Instagram, Telegram, or WhatsApp, anything. So you will press next. So here you will select your trading platform. If you use I already tell you this trading robot is compatible with all your trading platforms. It will bring financial freedom to you wherever you are. If you're using MetaTrader 4, it will come to you. It will have to choose MetaTrader 4. If you're using SeedTrader, you will have to choose SeedTrader. So me, I'm using MetaTrader 5, so I will have to click MetaTrader 5 and go next. So as I told you, when you receive the robot, you will receive the organization, the serial number, and the license key. So we'll put the organization right here. You put the organization. My personal organization is DINERO, and the serial number, my personal serial number, it's this. You will have to put it in your, after receiving it, you have to put it right here so that you can access the robot. So after putting your serial number, you will have to click install. Oh, sorry, the serial number. So sorry. So we'll have to click install. So it bring out this pop-up. You click next, yes, and it will put all the files for you. It will put all the files for you. You won't have to do anything. This is the simplest ever Forex robot to install. It's the simplest. After that, you will have to click finish, and everything is done. You just go to your trading platform. If you chose MetaTrader 4, go to your MetaTrader 4 platform. If you have chose MetaTrader 5, go to your MetaTrader 5 platform, and the robot will already be there. The simplest ever. So choose any chart. It will do the rest for you. Click any chart, drag and drop the file from there, and you drop it to your chart. So the first setting you have to do is go to here on common, click algo trading, allow algo trading and modification of signal settings. Check all those two boxes. After checking the box, go to the inputs. So right here you see the word license key. You will have to put your license key right there. So we have provided this robot with a lot of strategies, so we decided to put some of the common strategies here. If you say, me, I don't want to use BTMM strategy, you have to put it on false. If you say, I don't want to use the smart money concept, you can turn them off. If you say, I don't want to use the 4 points, turn them off. But I will recommend you leave them on true, so that it can be using all the strategies to bring you the most profitable setups. So you have to type here the license key. So type the license key, that's mine. I've just copied and pasted it. Then you press OK. After pressing OK, to bring you Forex Medicine 3.1 connected. Click yes. Oh, sorry, I've just got a call. Sorry. So this process may take some time. Make sure the robot okay, just click OK. So after the robot will be activated on your account. the robot will be activated on your account. So the robot the robot tells you choose what you want to do, choose what to trade. choose what to trade. So you have to click on whatever you want to trade. If you're using currencies, it will bring you the currency pairs the broker provides. It will bring you them there. If you're trading crypto, it will bring you the cryptocurrencies provided by your broker right here. So I'm using the RIV synthetic indices, so they have brought me the synthetic indices. So I say I want to use volatility 75, want to trade boom 300. You can select all, be like, I want the robot to trade everything. Immediately, let me show you. Immediately you press, it will be entering trades and be closing them automatically. You see, everything is fully automated. You see, it's entering trades automatically. You see, it will be entering trades. Let me show you that the robot entering the trades. See, the Forex Medicine 3.1. It will be doing everything for you automatically and automated. Everything, analyzing, you're telling the trades, closing them, everything is done automatically. So after doing that, you will just have to go and sleep. Nothing else. When you go and sleep and you feel like withdrawing some money, go to your broker, withdraw some money, go back and sleep. Go chop money, go spend money, do everything. That the robot will keep you covered with financial freedom. That's all. It will be trading for you. You see, trading for you, everything.